Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to give you 50 important MCQs from Economic Botany. They may be useful for your DL preparation, JL preparation, AP set, PG set, NET, NEET, MSET. So let's see the questions one by one. First question is saffron, a highly valued spice which is obtained from which part of the plant? Options are corolla, stamen, stigma, tender tip of leaf. For this, the correct answer is saffron is derived from dried stigmas of Crocus sativus. Okay, stigma is the correct answer. Let's see the next question. Chicory, often used as a coffee substitute or additive, is made from. Options are dried leaves, dried corollas, dried roots, dried twigs. So, for this, the correct answer is the roasted and ground roots of Chicorium intybus are used to blend with coffee for flavor and aroma. They are roasted roots. Okay. So it is obtained from the roots of Chicorium intybus. Let's see the next question. According to Indian tradition, who introduced coffee to the southern hills of India? Options are Arabian traders, a Muslim saint, rulers of Mysore, Portuguese settlers. For this, the correct answer is Muslim saints is the correct answer. Let's see the next question. How is camphor traditionally obtained? Options are extracted from citrus and citrus rind, from latex of fig trees, by distilling wood and leaves, from a fungal secretion. So for this, the correct answer is camphor is obtained by distilling wood and leaves. Generally, camphor is extracted by steam distillation of wood and leaves of Cinnamomum camphora. For this, the correct answer is by distillation of wood and leaves. Let's see the next question. Which of the following plant products is derived specifically from the stigma? Options are clove, saffron, camphor, marijuana. For this, the correct answer is saffron. Saffron comes from the stigmas of Crocus sativus flower. Okay. Let's see the next question. Which plant is used as an alternative to Hevea brasiliensis for rubber production? Options are Argibon mexicana, Cleome gynandra, Calotropis procera, Parthenium argentatum. For this, the correct answer is Parthenium argentatum is the correct answer. So, Parthenium argentatum, which is commonly called as guaiac, which is used as a rubber substitute. Let's see the next question. Which of the following are recognized as biodiversity hotspots in India? Options are Western Ghats, Eastern Himalayas, Central Himalayas. Among them, you have to pick the correct statements. Options are only 1, 2 and 3, 1 and 3, 2 and 4. For this, the correct answer is 1 and 3. That means Western Ghats and Eastern Himalayas, they are the biodiversity hotspots of India. Let's see the next question. Cell cultures of Lithospermum erythrorhizan are used commercially for the production of. Options are berberine, palmitoine, chiconin, plumbagine. For this, the correct answer is chiconin is the correct answer. So, Lithospermum erythrorhizan is a source of chiconin, which is a red pigment that is used in cosmetics and pharmaceuticals. Let's see the next question. Which plant is considered as a potential petrocrop or biofuel source? Options are Euphorbia thirukalli, Quercus, Pongamia glabra, Ricinus communis. For this, the correct answer is Jatropha quercus, which is a petrocrop. Okay. So, Jatropha quercus seeds yield oil that can be converted into biodiesel. Let's see the next question. Which species is commonly used for the extracting geranium oil? Options are Symbopogon flexosus, Pelargonium graveolens, Rosa damascena, Slichera trijuga. For this, the correct answer is Pelargonium graveolens is the correct answer. From this, geranium oil is extracted. Geranium oil is extracted from Pelargonium graveolens, which is widely used in perfumes and aromatherapy. Let's see the next question. Here you have to match the list 1 with list 2. So list 1 consisting wetlands, list 2 consisting states. You have to match with appropriate answer. So list 1 consisting Astamudi, Chilaka, Uzni, Olar. List 2 consisting states Jammu Kashmir, Kerala, Maharashtra, Odisha. For this you have to match with the correct options. So I am going to match Astamudi, the wetlands present in Kerala. So Chilka Lake present in Odisha. Next Uzni wetland present in Maharashtra. Uzni wetland present in Maharashtra. Ular Lake present in Jammu and Kashmir. So for this the correct answer is first one. 2, 4, 3, 1 is the correct answer. Let's see the next question. Which one of the following pairs is correctly matched? Options are tannin, Bixa orellana, Anatocacia auriculata, Indigo indigofera cerulea, cochineal dye, Dactylopius coccus. So for this the correct answer is you have to pick the correctly matched pair. Okay, the correctly matched pair is Dactylopius coccus is the correct one. Okay, so cochineal is a red dye which is obtained from the insect Dactylopius coccus. So others are mismatched. Let's see the next question. Petrocrops are considered highly promising biomass energy sources because they. Options are help to conserve soil and water, are a principal source of energy in rural areas, or an essential renewable energy source, contain a high amount of biocrude chemicals. For this, the correct answer is they contain a high amount of biocrude chemicals. Okay, high amount of biocrude chemicals is the correct one regarding petrocrops. Let's see the next question. Beta diversity refers to the diversity. Options are over a large area, within a site, over an area consisting of many habitats, over an area consisting of single habitat. So for this the correct answer is over an area consisting of many habitats is the correct answer. That is called beta diversity. Okay, beta diversity that measures the change in species composition between different habitats or between different ecosystems. Let's see the next question. Plants used for rubber production. So rubber is obtained from which of the following sets of plants? Okay, so you have to pick the correct plants order. Okay, so Hevia braziliensis, Castilla elastica, Landolphia Thalomi, Ficus elastica, Parthenium argentatum, Artocarpus integrifolia, Ficus bengalensis, Ficus elastica, Cryptostegia grandiflora, Taxacum, Euphorbia thirukalli, Calotropis procera. So you have to pick the correct plants which are used for the production of rubber. Okay, so for this, the correct option is Hevia brasilensis, Castilla elastica, Landophila thalmoi is a all three known for production of latex and manufacture of rubber. For this, the correct answer is first one. Let's see the next question. Which of the following is the botanical name of the oil palm? Options are Ilias guinensis, Olea europea, Crocus nucifera, Cardammus tinctorius. So for this the correct answer is first one, Ilias guinensis, which is oil palm. Okay, which is used for oil production. Let's see the next question. Which one of the following is not an endemic plant? Options are Saint Paulia ionantha, Hibiscus micranthus, Hibiscus insularis, Ariocarpus agavoides. For this, the correct answer is Hibiscus micranthus is the correct answer, which is not an endemic plant. Remaining all endemic plants. Let's see the next question. Henna is obtained from the leaves of. Options are Lawsonia, Indigofera, Hematoxylon, Pterocarpus. For this, the correct answer is Lawsonia. Henna dye is extracted from the leaves of Lawsonia inermis. Let's see the next question. Information about endangered species is published in the. Options are Blue Book, Treatise in Biology, Red Data Book, Proceedings of UNESCO. For this, the correct answer is Red Data Book. Okay, the Red Data Book, which is maintained by IUCN. So it consisting endangered and threatened species globally. Let's see the next question. Cedarwood oil used in microscopy as an immersion medium, which is obtained from. Options are Cedrus deodara, Juniperus virginiana, Abies spectabilis, Pinus roxburghi. So for this, the correct answer is Juniperus virginiana. Cedarwood oil, which is used in microscopy. So they are mainly extracted from Juniperus virginiana. Let's see the next question. Which of the following is known as king of cereals? Options are wheat, rice, maize, barley. So for this, the correct answer is wheat is considered as king of cereals. Let's see the next question. The origin of rice is believed to be. Options are from Central Asia, Southeast Asia, Africa, Mediterranean region. For this, the correct answer is Southeast Asia is the correct answer. Rice is originated from Southeast Asia. Let's see the next question. The alkaloid quinine is obtained from which plant? Options are Cinchona, Rauwolfia, Atropa, digitalis. So for this, the correct answer is Cinchona. Let's see the next question. The plant Catharanthus roseus is used to treat. Options are malaria, cancer, diabetes, heart disease. So which is used to treat cancer. Why? Because it consists alkaloids such as vincristine, vinblastine. They are used in the treatment of cancer. Let's see the next question. Groundnut is botanically known as. Options are Glycine max, Arachis hyposia, Helianthus annuus, Brassica campestris. For this, the correct answer is Arachis hyposia is the correct answer. Let's see the next question. Which of the following is a non-edible oil seed? Options are coconut, neem, mustard, sunflower. For this, the correct answer is neem, which is not an edible oil. Let's see the next question. Cotton is obtained from which part of the plant? Options are stem, leaf, seed hair, root. So for this, the correct answer is seed hair is the correct answer. Let's see the next question. Jute is mainly cultivated in. Options are Punjab, Assam, West Bengal, Gujarat. For this, the correct answer is West Bengal. Let's see the next question. The scientific name of tea is. Options are Coffea arabica, Camellia sinensis, Theobroma caco, Coffea robusta. For this, the correct answer is Camellia sinensis is the correct answer. Let's see the next question. Which plant is used for making chocolate? Options are Coffea arabica, Theobroma caco, Camellia sinensis, Citrus sinensis. For this, the correct answer is Theobroma caco, which is used in chocolate making. Let's see the next question. Which one of the following plants is the source of chicle gum used in the chewing gum industry? Options are Hevia braziliensis, Acacia senegal, Areca catechu, Acrus zapota. For this, the correct answer is Acrus zapota is the correct answer. Let's see the next question. Diogeogen is the name of a variety of. Options are rice, wheat, maize, China grass. For this, the correct answer is, which is a variety of China grass. Let's see the next question. Which one of the following does not fall under in situ conservation methods? Options are Biosphere Reserve, Botanical Garden, National Park, Wildlife Sanctuary. For this, the correct answer is Botanical Garden is not comes under the in situ conservation. Let's see the next question. What is the edible part of jackfruit? Artocarpus heterophyllus. Options are thalamus, ripened ovary, perianth seeds, fleshy aril. For this, the correct answer is fleshy aril, which is a edible part of jackfruit. Okay, so let's see the next question. Reserpine, a medical alkaloid used in blood pressure treatment, is obtained from. Options are Atropa belladonna, Catharanthus roseus, Digitalis purpurea, Ravulfia serpentina. For this, the correct answer is reserpine is obtained from Ravulfia serpentina, which is used for the treatment of hypertension and also for mental disorders. Let's see the next question. So conservation and enhancement of vegetation help in which of the following ways? Options are reduces the greenhouse effect, checks the thickening of the ozone layer, preserves valuable gene pools, minimizes ecological imbalances. So you have to tell the correct statements of conservation and enhancement of vegetation. Okay, so among them, the correct statements are 1, 3, 4. Those three statements are correct. Let's see the next question. Which one of the following plants is the source of gum arabic? Options are Coffea arabica, Prosopis spicifera, Albizia lebec, Acacia senegal. For this, the correct answer is Acacia senegal is the correct answer. So gum arabic is a natural gum that is obtained from the bark of Acacia senegal. Let's see the next question. Triphala is a traditional Ayurvedic formulation that is made from. Options are given: Terminalia bellerica, Terminalia chebula, Terminalia tomentosa. Terminalia bellerica, Terminalia chebula, Phyllanthus emblica. Terminalia chebula, Phyllanthus emblica, Diospyros melanoxylon. Terminalia chebula, Buchnania emblica officinalis. Okay, so among them you have to pick the correct three plants which is used in Triphala making. Okay, so for this the correct answer is Terminalia chebula, Terminalia bellerica, Phyllanthus emblica. So they are actual combination of Triphala. Okay, so these three fruits are used in making of Triphala. So they are commonly called as Beheda, Haritaki and Amla. Let's see the next question. The most important strategy for conserving biodiversity in the establishment of options are biosphere reserves, botanical gardens, national parks, wildlife sanctuaries. For this, the correct answer is biosphere reserves is the correct answer. Let's see the next question. Which one of the following pairs includes products obtained from the same plant? Options are nutmeg, mace, cotton and kapok, nimbidine and nicotine, rubber and resin. For this, the correct answer is nutmeg and mace. Nutmeg is obtained from seed, mace is obtained from eril. Both are comes from the plant Myristica fragrans. So, nutmeg and mace both are obtained from a single plant. Let's see the next question. Potato is a native to which region? Options are Peru, Mexico, India, China. For this, the correct answer is Peru. So, potato, Solanum tuberosum, originated in the Peru and also Bolivia. Let's see the next question. Turmeric has recently become popular globally as a options are condiment, source of insecticides, source of antibiotics, source of pigments. For this, the correct answer is source of antibiotics. Let's see the next question. Which sugar yielding crop is suitable for cultivation in soils with high sodium content? Options are sugar beet, palmyra palm, sugarcane, sweet potato. For this, the correct answer is sugar beet is the correct answer. Let's see the next question. Which is the correct order of steps in the processing of natural rubber? So here 4 steps are given. You have to arrange them in a proper order. Tapping, smoking, pressing, coagulation. So among them you have to arrange them in a proper order. So for this the correct answer is 1, 4, 3, 2 is the correct answer. First, tapping of latex from the plant, then coagulation by using acid, and then pressing into sheets, and then smoking to preserve and strengthen the rubber. Okay, let's see the next question. So, an endemic taxon is one that options are has a distribution restricted to a specific area, if found worldwide, is endangered, is economically valuable. For this, the correct answer is has a distribution restricted to a specific area is the correct answer. Let's see the next question. Taxol, a compound with anti-cancer properties, is extracted from. Options are bark of the stem of Taxus species, root of Taxodium species, shoots of Taxodium species, roots and fruits of Taxodium species. So for this the correct answer is bark of stem of Taxus species is the correct answer. Let's see the next question. Which of the following groups of species belong to the same plant family? Options are Ferula asafoetida, Electeria, Cardamomum, Syzygium aromaticum, Trigonella faecum, Gracium, Brassica campestris, Cuminus cyminum, Phoenicum vulgare, Ferula asafoetida, Coriandrum sativum, Syzygium aromaticum, Pimenta officinalis, Coriandrum sativum. For this, the correct answer is Phoenicum vulgare, Ferula asafoetida, Coriandrum sativum is the correct answer. Let's see the next question. You have to match the list 1 with list 2. List 1 consisting oil, list 2 consisting plant. So, rapeseed oil, linseed oil, cardal nut oil, sunflower oil. You have to match them with correct answer. Okay. So, I'm going to match. So, rapeseed oil is obtained from Brassica gentiana. Linseed oil is obtained from Linum usitatissimum. Cardal nut oil is obtained from Aluritis mollicana. Safflower oil is obtained from Cardamus tinctorius. Okay. So for this, the correct answer is first one is the correct answer. Let's see the next question. What part of the turmeric plant is used as the spice? Options are seed, root, dried fruit, rhizome. For this, the correct answer is Rhizome is the correct answer. Let's see the next question. This is the last question. Pyrethrin, a natural insecticide which is obtained from which plant? So, Vitiveria, Cymbopogon, Chrysanthemum, Tephrosia. For this, the correct answer is Chrysanthemum. So, pyrethrin is extracted from the dried flower heads of Chrysanthemum cinerafolium. So, okay, students, thanks for watching. If you really like this video, so don't go away without subscribing my channel and share this video with your friends and colleagues. Thank you so much.